Hello guys, Sunday Vlogs! What's up guys? Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel, like and share. Thank you.
So for this video guys, I teach Inday how to sing, but I'm not good. I'm not good the voice my voice is not good, but I try my best to teach Inday.
Dito.
Yan
Ano ba?
na. Oh, sige. Sige ha. Dapat kana uwi ano. Mana. Ito bang dali? Kaya mag-atubang ka na ko. Sige. Ako'y paano na niya, yung sunod ay ka ha? Back when I was a child. Ikaw.
Back when I was a child.
Before life removed all the innocence. Ikaw.
Before life remove all the innocence.
My father would leave me high.
My father would left me high.
And dance with my mother and me, and then
And dance with the mother and me, and then
spin me around till I fell asleep.
Santo,
Spin me around till I feel asleep.
spin me around till I feel asleep.
Then up the stair, then up the stair, then up the stair.
Rain off the stars,
He would carry me.
rain off the stars, he would carry me.
And I know for sure. Ikaw. And I know for sure.
And I knew for sure
I was loved. Ikaw.
I was loved.
Okay. Paminawa ko ha. You listen to me. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him. Ikaw. If I could get another chance. Ikaw.
If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him,
I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I'd love to dance with my father again.
Would walk.
Namo ni oh. If I could get another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I love to dance with my father again.
To dance with my
When
father.
when I my mother were disagree to get my way, I will run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me. I finally then finally make me do just what my mama said. Late the night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my seat. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could still one finally glance, one final step, one final dance with him. I'd play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I listen outside her door. I heard how Mama would cry for her. And I am praying for much too much. But could you send back the only man she loved? And I know you don't do it usual. Bisa ba ni? Bisong o we reading? And I know. But there she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I feel asleep, and this all I never dreamt. Be, kape, kantaha ang kana sa imurang hibawan ikaw daw be. Okay, backward, sige. Chug 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 chug.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence.
Okay.
My father would lift me high, and that's with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I feel asleep. Then of the stairs, he would carry me. If I could,
And I know
for
for
sure, I
I was-
was
Okay,
loved.
record.
If I could,
Okay.
if I could get another chance, another walk,
Another dance with him.
I'd play a song
that
I
would
would
never-
that would never ever end.
So funny. It's so funny. I don't know. It's that song or that is reading.